Track 5. Kitty is helping Miss Chan fill in a class stationery form. Listen carefully and complete the form for Kitty. You have 10 seconds to study the form. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. Kitty, could you help to fill in the class stationery form?
Sure, Miss Chan. Let me get a pen.
All right. First, we have 10 pencils. Can you write down pencil in the column for stationery items?
Sure. P-E-N-I-C-L. Pencil.
No, it should be P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Got it?
P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Got it.
Track 6. Anna is calling a fast food restaurant to order some food. Listen carefully and complete the order form for the staff member. You have 10 seconds to study the form. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Good morning. Yummy burger.
Hello. I'd like to order a cheeseburger and some fries.
Sure. Could you tell me your name?
Mary Watson.
How do you spell Watson?
W-A-T-S-O-N. Watson.
W-A-T-S-O-N. Watson. Got it.